most frequently used grammar in Japanese. JLPT Ninja.
ちょっと遅れるってちょっと遅れるってってだとin と言いますという becomes って in a conversational form. Also, when the verb you is abbreviated, it appears as in ちょっと遅れるって。Sakura said she would be a little late. Sakura said she would be a little late.
JLPT Ninja.
集合時間集合時間わかってるなんとかってるわかってるindicates an action or condition that is continuing. In conversation, the ている or ていた etc. is often not pronounced. Again, it is not pronounced, making the form sound like てる or てた。集合時間わかってる Do you know what time we meet tomorrow?
JLPT Ninja.
コピーしといてくれないコピーしといてくれないといて This is a shortened form of ておく It is used to indicate that something should be done to prepare for something that will or might happen later. A. Preparation. It can also be used to mean leave something as it is, as B. Leave alone. といて。コピーしといてくれない Could you make copies for me?
JLPT Ninja.
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you in my next vlog. This is Rafu, your JLPT Ninja.